Introducing the Kinesis mWave mechanical keyboard. A classic ergonomic shape, reimagined for a more discerning typist. Quiet, tactile switches provide an unmatched typing experience. Connect to your PC, Mac, laptop, or phone and instantly switch between them. Customizing your keyboard has never been easier with our new programming interface. Optional backlight for working in low-light environments. Upgrade your mWave with one of our accessory keycap sets for a signature look. Approved by corporate, designed for you.